Hi, good evening, everyone. Once again, this is Coach Sam, and I would like to present to all of you tonight our module. We have an available module that I would love to give to everyone for tonight. Kung gusto niyo po, boss, libre po. And then, ang kailangan lang po natin is matuto tayo. Ang title sa module na to is Price Action Playbook. How to use candlestick pattern to read market and make smarter trade decision. And then kung nakita natin dito, ang inyo pong matutunan dito, boss, is like for example, understanding the anatomy of a candlestick. Okay, so dito po, sa module na 'to, meron po tayong, tinatawag natin boss na, um, matutunan po natin dito understanding the anatomy of candlestick, and then what is a candlestick, anatomy of candlestick, basic candlestick, and also you can, learn as well understanding price action, understanding, price action and candlestick, ayan. Understanding candlestick sit up. Top 3 single pattern candlestick, ayan. And we have also top 3 double pattern candlestick sit up. And then top 3 triple pattern candlestick sit up. And then placing of stop loss and take profit level, support and resistance level, drawing support and resistance level, and then using support and resistance to stop loss and take profit, stop loss and take profit in general, average true range. So meron po tayong 43 pages on this module. And then kung pakita ko po sa inyo yung gaano kaganda itong module na to. Like for example, and the topic number 1, understanding the anatomy of a candlestick. As you can see here, what is the candlestick? Ayan, na-explain na po. Candlestick, sometimes referred to as Japanese candlestick, are basically used to describe price action within a particular time frame, thereby reflecting the market sentiment at the time, whether the market is more bullish or bearish as a whole within this time period. There will be the opening, closing high, and low price, all of which are condensed into a simple candlestick. So kung nakita nyo dito, meron pong bullish, and then na-explain niya po kung ano po yung tawag dito, and then kung ano pong tawag doon sa taas. And then we have also the bearish candle. Bali, in-explain po dito, boss, with all the explanation, and then you can learn not only for the candle pattern but also the strategy itself. Boss, I would like to give to all of you, if you want, kung gusto niyo po na matanggap po ang module na 'to, all you have to do is message niyo po ako. Para naman mag-usap tayo, and then ibibigay ko po ito ng libre po sa bawat isa. So, limited lamang ang mabigyan natin dito as of now. Bibigyan natin na ang 5 person, 5 lamang kung sino po ang first 5 na mag-message po, at saka, okay, saka makauna, 5. So kung kayo po ay maka-reserve na maka-message sa atin, masali kayo doon sa 5 na yon, bibigyan ko po kayo ng module na 'to, libre. So again, if you are interested, do not forget to message me. This is Coach Sam, and thank you so much. God bless everyone.